In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lovable AI for free. Let's dive right in and explore how you can take advantage of Lovable AI without spending a dime. First, you'll need to visit their website at loveable.dev. Once there, sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, it's quick and easy to create one. Signing in gets you access to all the features available with their free plan. After you're logged in, it's time to get creative. Start by creating a new app. You'll do this by typing out your idea or a brief description of what you'd like the app to accomplish. Keep in mind that while the free plan has its limits, it's enough to get your project rolling and test basic app ideas. Once you've input your app concept, you'll see a button that looks like an up arrow. That's the Generate button. Click it and let Lovable AI work its magic to build the first version of your app. This process is relatively quick, but take a moment to relax while the AI does the heavy lifting. With the initial version of your app ready, your next step is to head over to the preview section. It's your first look at how the app is coming together. Take your time to go through the preview and see what Lovable AI has created based on your description. Next, you might want to dive a little deeper, and that's where the left panel comes in handy. Here, you can click on any file to view or edit the code. If you're familiar with coding, this is a great opportunity to make tweaks or custom modifications. Speaking of modifications, if you need to change features, fix bugs, or add new pages, you can interact directly with the AI through the chat located at the bottom left of the screen. Just type in your requests or queries, and the AI will assist you in refining your app. When you feel the app is shaping up to your expectations, click the Run or Preview button. This will allow you to test its functionality and ensure everything works smoothly before moving forward. After thorough testing and once you're satisfied with your app's performance, it's time for the next big step. Publishing. You'll find the Publish button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it deploys your app, making it accessible to users. Finally, to continue enjoying the services for free, be mindful of the usage limits by avoiding long sessions or excessive regenerations of your app. This helps you stay within the boundaries of the free plan without encountering any paywalls. And there you have it, a simple guide to using Lovable AI for free. Feel free to experiment and see what innovative apps you can create. Happy app building!